So dt cancels out. 1 minute. So once dt cancels out, you have integral. You add integral 0 to t d by dt of phi minus t into xt dt equal to 0. Okay? So dt cancels out. Applying the limits, you will get phi of minus t upper limit of minus ta into xt minus lower limits phi of 0 into x0 is equal to 0. Right? dt cancels out. Applying the limits, पहले अपर लिमिट्स लगा के phi of माइनस टी तो माइनस टी है, एक्स टी भी टी ही रहेगा, माइनस दूसरी बार टी इक्वल टू ज़ीरो, phi 0 x0 is equal to 0, which implies phi of minus t into xt is equal to phi 0 into x0. Phi of minus t, you can write this as phi t inverse from the properties of state transition matrix into xt is equal to phi of 0. Phi of 0 you already know, this is identity matrix. So identity matrix into x of 0, ये x of 0 खाली रहेगा, which implies re-multiply both sides by phi of t into phi t inverse into xt is equal to phi t into x0. Phi t into phi t inverse, any matrix into its inverse is equal to identity matrix into x of t, implies xt is equal to phi t into x0. Right? So this is equation number 2. So we have actually found out two solutions of this system. So one solution was from equation number 1, we had xt is equal to Laplace inverse of Si minus A inverse into x0, and alternately you found out phi t is xt is equal to phi t into x0. So comparing the two equations, both these can be said to be as the solutions. These are both the solutions of a homogeneous equation. Comparing these two equations, we can say that phi t is equal to Laplace inverse of Si minus A inverse. Fine. So you actually found out the solution now of a homogeneous system. You want to write it in Laplace inverse domain, or you can now simply write it as xt is equal to phi t into x0. Okay. So solution of any state space equation of any homogeneous state space equation is equal to state transition matrix into the initial conditions. So this basically represents the solution of a homogeneous state equation, and phi t, which is nothing but e raised power at, can also be फाउंड आउट टू बी इक्वल टू लैप्लास इनवर्स ऑफ एस आई माइनस ए इनवर्स. तो अगर आपके पास ए मैट्रिक्स किसी भी स्टेट स्पेस मॉडल का अवेलेबल है, यू कैन आइदर यूज दिस इक्वेशन टू फाइंड आउट द स्टेट ट्रांजिशन मैट्रिक्स, और यू कैन यूज नाउ this equation Laplace inverse of Si minus A inverse to find the state transition matrix. Now I will define the state transition matrix. So what is the state transition matrix now? It's a matrix, or you can say it's a function that basically uh, 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 transforms or transfers all the states from their initial condition to time t equal to t. Fine. So ये जो आपका फंक्शन है स्टेट ट्रांजिशन मैट्रिक्स, इट ट्रांजिशंस और इट ट्रांसफॉर्म्स ऑल द स्टेट. अगर आपके पास डिफरेंट स्टेट्स थी x1t, x2, x3, डिफरेंट स्टेट वेरिएबल्स थे, so it will transfer them from, उनका जो वैल्यू होगा it will be transferred from t equal to 0 to t equal to at that particular present interval of time, that is t equal to t. So a state transition matrix transfers all the state variables from their initial state to their final state. That is why the name is state transition matrix. It will transfer all the initial states from their initial state to their final state. ठीक है, ये multiply with a proper multiplication with the initial conditions, you can transfer these states to their final conditions. Now, once you have found out xt, y of t, the solution of output matrix is simple. It is c into x of t. Okay? So solution of the output matrix will be simply like this, or you can say c into phi t into x0. Fine. So this is your solution of state space model. अगर आपके पास एक होमोजीनियस सिस्टम है, एक होमोजीनियस सिस्टम का मतलब है आपका u 0 है, तो इसका जो सोल्यूशन होगा x डॉट एक्स टी विल बी इक्वल टू phi t into x0 and y t will be equal to c into xt. Right? Where phi t is the state transition matrix, you can find it out either this exponential term e is equal to at. E is equal to at basically means I plus at plus a square t by 2 factorial so on, or you can also find it in the using this equation, Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse, Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse. Fine. So this is your solution of a homogeneous state equation. Solution of a non-homogeneous state equation, we'll do that in the next class. Let's do an example. Say for example, you have a system. You have been given a system x dot x dot this is a homogeneous system. You want to find out you have to find out two things: find phi of t and its solution all as well. Fine. So phi of t क्या होगा? Phi of t will be e raised power at or Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse. That means Laplace inverse of si minus si means s00s minus a is 0 1 minus 2 minus 3 इस सब का इन्वर्स और उसका फिर Laplace inverse. This is Laplace, so phi of t is Laplace inverse of s minus 1 plus 2 s plus 3 plus 2 s plus 3. इस मैट्रिक्स का इन्वर्स पहले निकालना है आपको, फिर उसका Laplace inverse. This is Laplace inverse of the inverse of this matrix is adjoint of this matrix divided by the determinant of this matrix. That means this is 1 divided by s square plus 3s plus 2, इसका adjoint s plus 3 1 minus 2s. This is inverse इसका, that means basically s plus 3 divided by s square plus 3s plus 2, 1 divided by s square plus 3s plus 2 minus 2 divided by s square plus 3s plus 2. This is s here, s divided by s square plus 3s plus 2. तो ये आपका मैट्रिक्स आ गया. अब इसका लैप्लास इन्वर्स निकालना है. ठीक है. So moving ahead, so you have basically obtained now phi of t is called a Laplace inverse of s by s plus 3 divided by s square plus 3s plus 2 divided by 1 divided by this. ये जो 1 by s square plus 3s plus 2 था ये बाहर था, multiplying each and every term inside by s square plus 1 by s square plus 3s plus 2. So we have obtained this so far. That means phi of t is equal to Laplace inverse of s plus 3, s square plus 3s plus 2, s square plus 3s plus 2 can be written as s plus 2, s plus 1. Factors निकाल के 1 minus 2s, 1 divided by s plus 2s plus 1 minus 2 divided by s plus 2 s plus 1 s divided by s plus 2 s plus 1. ठीक है. अब इन सब का लैप्लास इन्वर्स निकालना है. लैप्लास इन्वर्स ऑफ s plus 3 डिवाइडेड बाय s plus 2 s plus 1. तो ये कैसे करते हैं आप? पहले इसका हम पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन निकालते हैं. तो इट्स अ लेंथी प्रोसीजर, यू हैव टू बट फॉलो दिस. So this will be a divided by s plus 2 s plus 1 something. Rather than writing a, I will write r1 divided by s plus 2 plus r divided by s plus 1. ठीक है. r2. So s plus 3 divided by s plus 2 s plus 1. By finding out the partial fraction of each and every element of this matrix. इसका भी partial fraction निकालना है, इसका भी partial fraction, इसका भी partial fraction निकालना है और इसका भी निकालना है. ये सब का partial fraction आपको निकालना है. Substituting s equal to -1, r2 will be equal to -1, this will be 2 equal to 0, -1 plus 2, that means r2 is equal to 2. And substituting r2 s equal to -2, -2 means minus r1 is equal to plus 1, r1 is equal to -1. Fine. So ये आपका पहला एलिमेंट हो गया. इसका पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन -1 डिवाइडेड बाय s plus 2 plus 2 divided by s plus 1 है. Fine. I will try to write the partial fraction of each and every term directly. So आपके पास Laplace inverse of s plus 3 s plus 2 into s plus 1 1 divided by s plus 2 s plus 1 minus 2 divided by s plus 2 s plus 1 and s divided by s plus 2 s plus 1 है. So this is equal to Laplace inverse of पहले वाले टर्म का हमने पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन निकाल लिया. इट इज़ -1 by s plus 2 plus 2 divided by s plus 1. Fine. 2s plus 4 minus s plus 3. As say 1 divided by s plus 2 s plus 1. You can say this is equal to 1. minus s minus 1 plus s plus 2. This will be equal to 1 divided by this minus 2 divided by s plus 2 s plus 1. S plus 1 2s plus 2 minus 2s minus 4. This will be minus 2 s plus 2 s plus 1 2s plus 2 minus s minus 2. फाइन. सो ये आपके पार्शियल फ्रैक्शंस आ जाएंगे. यू कैन प्रॉपरली सॉल्व देम. मैंने डायरेक्टली लिख दिया. लैप्लास इनवर्स ऑफ दिस. सो you know now Laplace inverse of minus 1 by s plus 2 is minus e raised power minus 2t plus 2 1 by s plus 1 का e raised power minus t हो गया. ऐसे ही Laplace inverse of minus 1 by s plus 2 is minus e raised power minus 2t plus 1 by s plus 1 का e raised power minus t. 2 ऐसे 2 is कांस्टेंट. 1 बाई एस प्लस 2 का आपका ई रेज पर माइनस 2t हो गया. माइनस 2 एस प्लस 1 का ई रेज पर माइनस t हो गया. 2 एस से ही एस प्लस 2 का ई रेज पर माइनस 2t माइनस ई रेज पावर माइनस t. ठीक है. तो ये आपका 5t आया. तो दिस इज योर स्टेट ट्रांजिशन मैट्रिक्स 5t. हमारा जो क्वेश्चन था फाइंड आउट फाई टी एंड इट्स सोल्यूशन. सो फाई टी तो हमने निकाल लिया. फॉर सोल्यूशन वी आल्सो नीड टू बेसिकली हैव द इनिशियल कंडीशन. लेट इनिशियल कंडीशन बी इक्वल टू 0 1 गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. देयरफॉर द सोल्यूशन विल बी फाई टी इंटू x0. Solution of this system will be phi t into x0. Phi t निकालना it's a lengthy procedure but you have to find it out. It's Laplace inverse of si minus a inverse. So if you have a is given to you, find out si minus a first. si minus a निकाला, फिर si minus a inverse निकाला, फिर आपके पास बेसिकली ये टर्म्स आ जाएंगी, ये डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स आ जाएंगे सिस्टम में. You have to using partial fraction. You have to obtain the partial fraction of each and every element. Once you obtain the partial fraction of each and every element, then you can basically go for the Laplace inverse. And in this case, the Laplace inverse will be something like this. And once you have found out the Laplace inverse, you can find out the solution of the system. Therefore, xt is equal to phi t into x0. Phi t is given to you. It is minus this whole thing. ये जो भी टर्म्स थी इसमें into x0. x0 is 0 1 as given to you in the question. So this into यहाँ पे क्या टर्म्स हैं, minus e minus 2t minus e minus 2t plus 2 e raised power minus t I guess. Minus e raised power minus 2t plus e raised power minus t e raised power minus 2t minus e raised power minus t 2 and 2 e raised power minus 2t minus e raised power minus t. Minus e raised power minus t. Fine. So these are your this is your phi t, multiplying it with respect to multiplying it with x naught. So this will be equal to this into this plus this into this. Pari term को multiply with 0, that will be 0 minus e raised power minus 2t plus e raised power minus t into 1. ये ऐसे रहेगा. ऐसे नीचे वाले रो में 2 this term into 0, this term into 1. So 2 e raised power minus 2t minus e raised power minus t. तो ये आपका एक्स टी हो गया, डैट इन अदर वर्ड्स इज एक्स वन टी एक्स टू टी. We can now say that x1t is equal to minus e raised power minus 2t plus e raised power minus t, and x2t is equal to this thing, and y is equal to c into xt. c आपका क्या है? c is I think 1 1. c आपका 1 और 1 है. 1 1 times x of t, that means 1 into upper element plus 1 into lower element, that means basically this is minus e raised power minus 2t plus e raised power minus t plus 2e minus 2t minus e raised power minus t. So that's e raised power minus 2t, ये और ये तो cancel हो गया. So this only y is equal to e raised power minus 2t. So this is the solution of this system that you can obtain. That's all for today. If you have any questions, this is the solution of a homogeneous system. एक example भी हमने की. The thing here is आपका जो phi t है, it's a lengthy procedure to find out phi of t, but Laplace inverse of each and every term. अब ये तो 2 cross 2 element था. If, say for example you have a 3 cross 3 elements, then you will be having 9 different terms. The 9 different terms का partial fraction करना है, उनका Laplace inverse निकालना है. So it's a bit of a lengthy procedure, but you have to follow this. So if you have any questions.